Hey everybody, it's time for an update video. I haven't done any updates recently on my cancer journey, so I wanted to give you an update on that. Things are going along. That's probably one of the best things that I can say about it. Still doing chemo, still receiving treatments. Just so you know, I am stage 4, which doesn't mean that I'm checking out anytime soon. What it means is I'm living day to day with cancer. So I learned to live with this cancer, live my life while keeping the cancer at bay. It's still with me. It's still part of me. I'm still dealing with it. I'm still getting treatment for it. I'm still taking chemo, and it still takes a toll on me. Some days are really good and some days are not very good. So it just kind of depends and we just take it as it comes. So I just wanted you guys to know that if you know someone that has stage 4 cancer, that doesn't mean that you can expect for them to be leaving you really soon. What it means in 2025 is that they are living day to day with the effects of not only the cancer, but the treatment for the cancer. So in today's day and age, where research has come a long way, and we've learned a lot about cancer and how to manage it, there are thousands of us, hundreds of thousands, maybe, I don't know, maybe tens of thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands, I'm not sure, that are living with our cancer. And so that's me. I'm living with the cancer, living my life, still keeping going, doing all the things that I need to do each and every day. I'm busy being a wife, a mom, a grandma, and I'm busy trying to help you guys learn how to make money online. Yes, that's my mission in life, is to help as many people as possible to learn the skills that they need to be able to make money online, to be able to save themselves some money and earn some extra money. So just so you guys know, when it comes to that, making money online, I don't sell anything. What I do is share information with people. I invite them to watch a video, and they get fully informed. From there, they make decisions for their own life of whether they want to save money or whether they want to make some extra money. They're making those decisions for themselves, and I'm just sharing information. So this isn't like MLM of 1988. If you were around then, maybe you were born in 1988. Anyway, it's changed a lot. So it's not the same as it used to be. And what we do these days is share the information and let people make an informed decision. And I have some really exciting information coming up really soon that I want to share, because this business that I'm a part of, the MyEcon digital membership, digital financial membership, is something that can benefit almost everyone. There's a way for you to put extra money back in your pocket. And I was really happy to hear that. And a lot of people that I've talked to have been really happy to hear that. And I think you will be really happy to hear that too. There is a way that without recruiting anyone, you can put more money in your pocket with the digital financial membership through MyEcon. And I have some exciting information I want to share with you guys coming up soon. So stay tuned here. And there'll be more information on how this can benefit you and how you can share it and help other people live a better life as well, if that's what you choose to do. Or you can keep it all for yourself. But as for me, I want to share with as many people as I can. So that's a quick update on my cancer journey, and also what's going down with MyEcon and the funnel team. I'd love to share some information with you to get you some more information so you can get fully informed. Text me, my number is always up here at the top, or you can send me a message, leave me a comment, reach out to me. I want to share this information and I want to help you make your life better. And I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, hit the like button. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified when I post new content. I'll see you on the next video.